Hey Zachary, this is Wayne Pittman at LaGrange Toyota. This is the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche that you inquired about. It's an LTZ model, so it's going to have the leather heated seats. It's four-wheel drive. It's got the 5.3-liter V8, of course, automatic transmission. Got the sunroof. See the DVD player. It's black on black. The truck's in really good shape. There's the back seats there. The front bucket leather seats, dual power. There's your four-wheel drive. It's got a little over 150,000 miles on it. It's got the Bose stereo. If you look at the outside here, got the running boards. Tires look fairly new. See, I think they're brand new. You can tell right there. It's pretty fresh. There's a front end view of the vehicle. It's got the fog lights, tinted windows. The truck's in excellent condition. It's got a tow package here on the back. Backup camera. There's the bed. Zachary, my name is Wayne Pittman. You can reach me here directly at 423-331-8343.